Hey there, welcome back. We're launching 100 Days, 100 Remedies, sharing daily natural remedies. Today, we're tackling coughs with a honey lemon ginger elixir. This soothing concoction includes honey, lemon, and ginger. You'll need a tablespoon of raw honey, half a lemon's juice, grated ginger, and hot water. Mix all ingredients, stir and consume slowly. Add turmeric or cayenne for a kick. Remember to stay hydrated. This is day 1 of 100 Days, 100 Remedies. Hit that subscribe button for more health tips. Do share your favorite home remedies for coughs in the comments below.